is Angelina Natasha. Today I want to read to our article Taylor Swift, the sensation of generation. Born in the town of Reading, Pennsylvania on December 13, 1989, Taylor Swift is unquestionably the most influential musical of her generation. Arguably, she is the most significant female singer ever and has had more influence on the music of her age than any other artist since the Beatles, the Rolling Stones, and Bob Dylan half a century earlier. Her success is largely down to the absolute support of her family, and notably of her parents, who were the war veterans from a very early age. They recognized that their daughter has exceptional talent. It helped that Taylor's mom worked in marketing and her dad was financial manager. They recognized opportunity when he saw one and knew how to develop it. As a small child, Taylor was encouraged to follow her artistic interests. She loved storytelling and singing, and was particularly fond of Shania Twain, the Canadian singer who helped put pop into American country music. By the age of 11, she was already writing her first song and performing in public. Confided their daughter have talent, her parents moved the family home from Pennsylvania to Henderson, near Nashville, Tennessee, the capital of country music. For 2 years, Taylor went to Henderson High School, but after that she was homeschooled, as it was becoming harder to reconcile the demands of a regular high school education with her musical commitments. Taylor Care took off when she signed with a new independent record company, Big Machine Records, at the age of 15 in 2006. She released her eponymous debut album, demonstrating her talent as a singer, songwriting, and quickly gained popularity on the country music scene. The single "Tim McGraw" about a popular country music singer, which Taylor had written when she was 15, received great critical acclaim. 2 years later, Taylor's second album, "Fearless", catapulted her into stardom with hits like "Love Story" and "You Belong with Me." Swift received multiple awards, including 4 Grammys. By the time Speak Now, her third album, came out in 2010, Taylor Swift had firmly established herself as a major artist in both country and pop music. The album entirely penned by her includes hits like "Back to December" and "Mean." In true country style, many of Taylor's songs tell a story and were personal, endearing her to her growing number of fans. But while country music was largely an American genre, popular in the USA but not so popular elsewhere, Taylor was acquiring fans all over the world, and echoing the way that Bob Dylan with his album like Rolling Stone transitioned from folk to rock. Taylor's 2014 album "1989" marked her transition from country music to the mainstream of world pop music. The album lead single "Shake It Off" reached number one worldwide and marked the start of a new stage in her career. As her career pursued, Taylor also discovered in downside to being a celebrity in 2016 public controversies, including her high-profile disputes with other celebrities, forced her to reflect on the dark side of celebrity culture. Swift used this revelation as fuel for her next album, Reputation, a more introspective work that explored themes of love, betrayal, and resilience. Yet in 2019, Swift surprised fans again by releasing Lover, an album that returned to the romantic themes of country music, while reflecting on important issues such as women's rights and other social causes. The COVID-19 pandemic in 2020 prompted many artists to revisit their music, and Swift has no exception. She released two surprise albums, Folklore and Evermore, returning to a calmer folk sound that contrasted sharply with her previous work. This album received with, with such praise, critical acclaim all over the world, even to the market the departure from her mainstream pop sound. In addition to her musical achievements, Taylor Swift has also made headlines by campaigning for a fair music industry. Her highly publicized disputes with record label about the ownership of her catalog led her to record her early album, including Fearless and Rip. This move has viewed not only as a reclaiming of her artistic but also a powerful statement in support of artists' rights. Throughout her career, Taylor Swift has won more major awards than any other contemporary musical. Yet beyond the media hype, the true legendary lies in her ability to connect with millions of fans through her music and stories. Whether through her memorable lyrics or through speaking up on important social issues, Swift has become a voice of generation, a world generation of fans from children and teens to parents and grandparents. I just love Taylor Swift, said 12-year-old Marian, and my auntie Kai's a sweetie too. She flew over to London from Canada just to go to her latest gig at Wembley Stadium. She came all the way for the concert. Gender bias and poverty inequality between men and women result in poor health for children and greater poverty for the family, according to a new study. The UN agency UNICEF found that in places where women are excluded from family decisions, children are more likely to suffer from malnutrition. There will be 13 million fewer malnourished children in South Asia if women had an equal say in the family. UNICEF said UNICEF surveyed family decision making in 30 countries around the world. The chief finding is that equality between men and women is vital to reducing poverty and improving health. especially of the children in developing countries. The conclusion are education or employment and poor nutrition are more likely to help children with poor health. An increase in employment and income earning opportunities for women will increase the household power, the report said. For example, the agency found that 15% whenever the per share of household income and assets decide whether those resources will be used for family needs.